Hi friends! Today we're going to continue to bring the garden inside for the holiday season. And the first thing I want to do is grab all the pumpkins that are located throughout the gardens and transform them from pumpkins to pumpkin seed Christmas ornaments that look like flowers. Let's get started. I really love these pumpkin seed ornaments, and I think if you didn't have some pumpkins around, maybe if you had some corn seed, some sunflower seed, zucchini, cantaloupe, watermelon, anything with a big seed, you could really get creative in terms of exactly what kind of seeds you use for these. But I think the dried flower Christmas tree really needed a pop of white, and I think these pumpkin seed flower ornaments fit the bill perfectly. I think what we need to do before we start on our next project, which is to string some straw flower into Christmas garland for the gourd Christmas tree and also light up the boxwoods for Christmas, I think we need to head over to my favorite local Italian bakery, grab an espresso and maybe some cannolis to give us a second wind of energy via caffeine and a sugar rush.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear, jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs
Well, I managed to get about 6 strands of garland done, and then I ran out of Strawflower. The ones that were closed more, the Strawflower that were closed more and weren't showing their center, were a lot easier to string than the ones that did show their center. The ones that were showing their center, I had to go through the middle, versus the other ones, these ones with the tighter centers, I could go through the middle and it was a lot easier and faster to string them. But hopefully this will look good outside. I'm not really sure how the dried flowers are going to work outside. What I'm gonna do is basically build the gourd Christmas tree and plan it where it looks like we have at least 2 weeks without rain, because the thing is with Strawflower and some other dried flowers, once they get wet, they're gonna kind of get nasty, and also Strawflowers close up really tightly when they get wet. So I'm not exactly sure how this dried flower gourd tree is going to turn out, and like I say, it might just end up being a ginormous squirrel feeder, but we'll have fun giving it a try, won't we, friends? Well, I think there's one more cannoli calling my name, and Grace is anxiously waiting to have another bite of it. So I want to wish you a wonderful day out there gathering things from your garden for the holiday season, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye!